Once upon a time, there was a city called Königsberg, and at its heart stood a castle that carried the history of East Prussia for more than 700 years. Then came the war, and after the war came the demolitions. In the place of the castle, the Soviets raised a concrete giant that was never finished, and today has itself already disappeared. What remains is a strange emptiness at the center of the city. Only one has stayed, Immanuel Kant, born here, died here, never more than 100 kilometers from this spot. His tomb by the cathedral has survived it all, the war, the Soviets, and time itself. And on the banks of the Pregel, the city is rebuilding its old Königsberg, not as a copy, but as a longing carved in stone. But the city has also built itself a new heart. Victory Square, wide, open, Russian, is the center of today's Kaliningrad. And watching over it all rise the golden domes of the Cathedral of Christ the Savior. No more Prussian brick, but Russian gold against the Baltic sky.